By the end of this video, you'll unlock a psychological tool so powerful, it can create deep emotional attachment. Any woman you use this with will feel a pull toward you she can't explain. Sounds intense? Stick with me. Today we're diving deep into female psychology. You've probably heard that to get a girl to like you, you should make her feel good about herself. And sure, that helps. But if that were the key, why do nice guys, the ones who compliment, who agree, who are always available, get overlooked? Here's the truth. Most men never learn what truly triggers emotional addiction. It's not about being nice. It's about being dynamic. Real attraction is built when a woman experiences a full spectrum of emotions with you, not just comfort and compliments. And yes, this includes a bit of tension, uncertainty, and excitement. Think about it. Why do so many women get hooked on dramatic TV shows? It's because they evoke highs and lows, suspense and release, emotional variety. That's what makes things addictive. Women crave emotional depth, not just surface-level feel-good vibes. When you give her the same sweet guy energy every day, it becomes predictable. And predictability is boring. Let me ask you, would you eat your favorite food every day for the rest of your life? Probably not. Even the best flavors lose their spark if they're always the same. That's why women often feel a magnetic pull toward men who challenge them emotionally, even if those men aren't perfect. The emotional roller coaster creates intrigue, and intrigue breeds attraction. So what's the secret? It's this. Be the guy who keeps her guessing, the one she can't fully figure out. That's how you become unforgettable. Yes, that means occasional arguments. Yes, it means moments where she feels uncertain, not because you're trying to hurt her, but because you're not afraid to stir emotion. That tension, that unpredictability, it hooks her. Here's a powerful tip. If you can make a woman laugh and cry, she'll bond with you emotionally on a deeper level. Most guys only aim for the laughs. They miss the real opportunity. Keep her in a state of curiosity. Let her wonder about your next move. Let her chase a little. Mystery creates space for emotion, and emotion builds connection. You don't need to tell her you like her. In fact, don't. Let her feel it through your actions, but never let her be completely sure. Certainty is comfort. Uncertainty is magnetism. Show attention, then pull back. Be available, then disappear. Don't be rude. Just be a puzzle she's always trying to solve. And if you're worried she'll lose interest or forget about you, ironically, that fear is exactly what causes it. Confidence means knowing that you bring value just by being who you are, and you don't need to chase anyone. Let's get one thing straight. This isn't about manipulation. It's about understanding human nature, especially the emotional language women speak. You're not here to deceive. You're here to engage deeply. So when she asks, "Why haven't you texted me back?" don't explain. Just shift the conversation. That mystery builds momentum. It's okay to challenge her sometimes. It's okay to tease, to disagree, to show that you have your own mind. That emotional tension creates attraction. Be unpredictable in a way that's exciting, not cruel. The more she wonders, the more she feels. And the more she feels, the more she connects. It's not about always being nice. It's about being real, spontaneous, and a little wild. Women don't dream of perfect. They dream of passionate. So be the man who makes her feel alive. Now, if you've been nodding along thinking, "This is me," then amazing. And if not, don't worry. It's a mindset you can build. Start today. Mix certainty with mystery. Be warm, then cool. Care, then detach. Make her feel everything, and she'll never forget you. And hey, if this opened your eyes, smash that like button. Let's hit 1,000 likes on this one.